Hey guys, the day has arrived. It is January the 9th, 2025, and we're up early on this morning. We're getting ready to head to the airport, heading to Hawaii for a couple of weeks. Going to be trying out Delta One on Delta's flight from Atlanta to Honolulu for the first time. Show you what that's all about, our experiences, what the seats look like, and how we like it. This will be our first time doing Delta One. We're getting out from Pensacola to Atlanta, and in Atlanta doing the long haul all the way into Honolulu. Here we go. Join us on our travel day to Hawaii.
So far we're looking good for on-time departure, and that is 9:40 a.m. with an estimated time of arrival of 2:26 p.m. and that will be local time in Honolulu. Once again, 2:26 p.m.
Here we go to Hawaii.
enter, make sure all seats are in the full upright and locked position for all cabins. So basically the seats. To welcome you to Honolulu, where the current time is 2:26. We are on an active taxiway, so we do need everyone in their seats as soon as possible. For your continued comfort, but most importantly for your safety, we do request that you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until our captain has parted you on board. And in the future, when your plans call for air travel, we do hope you'll find it a convenience as well as a pleasure to fly Delta Airlines. Thanks so much.
And we have made it to Hawaii. About 3 p.m. Hawaii time, left 3 a.m. this morning, Pensacola time. Got our rental car, heading to the resort. And we have made it to Hawaii. We're stopping off here at this little shopping center, going to get some snacks and drinks for tonight. Tonight we're staying in a hotel room at Aulani to save some points on our first night in, and then tomorrow evening we transfer over to a one-bedroom ocean view. Hawaii rush hour traffic. Alright, here's a quick little look at our hotel room we've booked for the first night. We booked a hotel for our arrival night to save some points, but this is really nice. Nice large bathtub. Huge closet. Has the 2 queen beds and the Disney Aulani touch. The hotel rooms come with a Keurig, a microwave, little ice chest there. Do have ceiling fans in the room here. This is room 541, one of the hotel rooms. It does have a view over the parking lot, but it's one of the better views over the parking lot if you ask me. We do have some green area down here where you can see the drive coming up. Nice large balcony. Not bad for an arrival night hotel room. Again, tomorrow night we go into the 1-bedroom ocean view. And that's going to wrap up our travel day for today. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. And I didn't think it did, but it does have a little small mini refrigerator.